Guys, so somebody is gonna have to stop me from buying parts for the Sur-Ron, but I did get some more Warp 9 products. Literally, we have almost every single product that that company sells. So to start out, we have the titanium axle lockdown nuts, and just look at these things. They're absolutely gorgeous. I cannot wait to throw these on. And to go along with that, you guys know what this is. This is a titanium axle, and if I told you how much this was and how much I spent on it, you'd probably call me crazy. So I figured that since I got those, I might as well get the titanium rear axle, just because, you know, why not? All titanium parts, it's lighter, it's stronger. And something I'm super excited about is the Warp 9 subframe riser kit. Now this is a super nice kit, way nicer than the Luna kit. This is gonna raise it just a little bit, especially since I'm a taller guy. So we have 3 parts to put on. Should be pretty easy. So I didn't show you guys, but I did get some Magura brakes for the Segway, and they are so sick, but I made the mistake of opening that right there, which let out all the mineral oil, and so I have no brake pressure. Went ahead and I ordered this kit, so it came with both bleeder tubes, the fitting, and it also came with the mineral oil for the brakes as well. So hopefully I can successfully bleed those today, and then she should be ready to ride. So I'm so excited. I'm itching to take this thing out, but I wanted to get every single part installed before I go ahead and do that. So hopefully we can get the brakes bled, seat riser on, titanium axle, and locks as well. And let's get started.
So we are living, as it were, on many levels of rhythm. This is the nature of change. If you resist it, you have dukkha, you have frustration and suffering. But on the other hand, if you understand change, you don't cling to it, and you let it flow, then it's no problem. It becomes positively beautiful, which is why in poetry,
it looks so good. We got the titanium axle and the titanium locks installed. Looks so sick. I'll show you guys the other side too. So nice. Oh, I think it's coming together so nicely. Now for the titanium locks and the axle, it was about $300, so it's a very expensive upgrade, but very worth it in my opinion. All right, so now we're gonna move on to the subframe riser kit. Now I'm super excited to get this installed. It should be really easy. Here's a little before. So now the seat riser is gonna go right there. So I gotta take these 2 bolts off, gotta take that bolt off, 2 on the back side of the battery, and then on the other side as well, and then the seat should come off.
The theme of the evanescence of the world is beautiful. See, it's always the image of change that really makes the poem. The Japanese have a word, yugen, Y-U-G-E-N, which has no English equivalent whatsoever. Yugen is, in a way, digging change. It's described poetically. You have the feeling of yugen when you see out in the distant water some ships hidden behind a far-off island. You have the feeling of yugen when you watch wild geese suddenly seen and then lost in the clouds. Feeling of yugen when you look across Mount Tamalpais and you've never been to the other side and you see the sky beyond. You don't go over there to look and see what's on the other side. That wouldn't be yugen. You let the other side be the other side. And it evokes something in your imagination, but you don't attempt to define it, to pin it down. Yugen.